there's a picnic table, bench, so that we can sit around here. People do boating. And we across the bridge. That's the bridge. Hi, yeah. We do some walking around. Let's see what's all about in here.
Yeah, bread killer.
Friendship Bridge. Ayan. We will across it. We're done feeding the geese their food. We will across the bridge. This is we already across it earlier and I forgot to take a video, so I did it again. This is a Friendship Bridge. Little fountain. And we did a loop too. We walk, we across here, and then do some walking. It's a loop, and then we came back all the way down. And then here, it's nice because you can bring your food and eat here. Because there's a table and bench right here. There's a table right here. We plan to do it next time. My house laughing at the back. Oh, you can sit right here in the bench watching the ducks and goose. The ducks and goose. And then you put your garbage right here. Not like in Philippines that you will throw it everywhere. Bench right here. It's really nice. There's people. There's a guy right there doing some fishing. Doing some fishing right there. And earlier we walked all the way. And then when we turn, it's a loop. And then now I'm taking some